Hi guys, thanks for tuning back in to the second part of Flashy Fantastic Rainforest Frogs. Okay, well, so we started reading this book last time, and I just wanted to review very quickly, just since it's been a couple of days, the pictures, just to remind yourselves what we've already read about. All these different frogs. And this is where we left off. Okay, so we continue along. Poison dart frogs don't need to hide or escape. They hop fearlessly about on the forest floor during the day. Their bright colors warn predators, "Don't touch me." Only a few animals can eat them because their skin contains bitter tasting chemicals. Some of these chemicals are very poisonous. Native hunters in Colombia roll the tips of their blowgun darts onto the skin of certain poison dart frogs. The poison will last for about a year. The hunters use it to kill game, but they must be very careful. The skin of one small frog can contain enough poison to kill more than 100 people. Wow, okay, so based on what you just heard, what are you wondering now? This page makes me wonder a lot. All right, we're going to skip a few pages. And we're going to come over here. The chemicals in poison dart frogs' skin are very interesting to scientists. Like other poisons, they can be useful as medicines in small doses. One chemical from poison dart frogs' skin is a more powerful painkiller than morphine. Others can be used as heart attack medicine. Okay, so based on what you just heard about this part with the scientists, what do you wonder? Okay, what did you learn about how scientists use poison from the poison dart frogs? Discuss that with someone at your house. And then here's my last question. What did you learn about how rainforest frogs hide from predators? What did you learn about how rainforest frogs can hide from predators? Okay, here's our second to last page. Frogs need homes to live in. When forests are cut down, frogs and other animals have no place to live, so they die out. Frogs that live in a limited area are especially threatened. The blue poison frog, for example, is only found in small parts of forests in the South American country of Suriname. If its home is destroyed by people harvesting wood, this frog will become extinct. Here's a little bit more of that frog. Frogs have been on Earth for more than 150 million years, but today frogs are disappearing quickly from some parts of the planet. No one is sure why. Some fear that the increase in ultraviolet light reaching Earth may be to blame. But whatever is killing frogs could be a danger for other forms of life, too. Scientists are working hard to understand what is happening so that the beauty and usefulness of frogs will always be increased. All right, well, so let's see. I've got a couple other questions before we finish up. My first is, what did you learn about why some rainforest frogs are disappearing? Discuss that with someone in your house or think it to yourself. My last question is, do you think it is important to protect frogs that are disappearing? Why or why not? Do you think it's important to protect frogs that are disappearing? Why or why not? Okay, well, that wraps up our reading with Flashy Fantastic Rainforest Frogs, another expository nonfiction text. Now it's your turn. It's your turn to go find an article, a magazine, something completely true off of the internet, a nonfiction book. Find a good, comfortable spot where you're not going to be disturbed. Remember to read for at least 25 minutes, if not longer. You want to grow your brain. Remember, your brain is a muscle, so you want to grow it, just like anything else. All right, happy reading. Way to go, you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.